Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can check your Amazon affiliate balance. So for doing that, firstly go to your Amazon website and open the product that you shared the link to a viewer or a customer or any of your friend who you sent your Amazon associate link. So firstly, if you have sent your Amazon associate link to anyone and they have made the purchase, now for checking that purchase, all you have to do is just simply go to the earning tab over here and click it. And it will open a new page in Amazon affiliate program, and over here you will be able to check all the clicks that were made by your given link, all the items ordered from your link, the shipped items, the returns, and all the other important details that you need to know in your affiliate links. And in the end you will find a column called total earnings. So over here you will be able to see the total amount of earning that you made from your Amazon associate link. Or you can also go to the earnings tab over here, and over here you will find much explained data on how much money you actually made from the link. And now for some reason, if you are not able to see the Amazon associate bar over here, like for example if you have disabled this bar, if you might have disabled this bar and you are not able to see this bar anymore, what you can do to enable this is just simply go to your Amazon associate page. Just simply go to your home page. You can just simply track all of your earnings over here at the home page as well. But if you want to go through the Amazon way over here, in order for you to actually activate that bar again, what you have to do is just simply go to your account, hover over it, then click on account settings. Then in account settings, you will find associate site strip option. Just simply click on it. Then in that option, you will find display status. Just simply click on that. And now when you go back to your Amazon page, you'll be able to see the link over here. So just simply refresh the page and the link is back. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.